the earlier video. I want to build a wooden case like this for the battery powered soldering station main unit. So because I don't like the plastic case, it's good quality, but I don't like the look of it. I want to have it in the same look like this. So I write down the sizes of the pieces of wood I need, and because I don't have laser cutter or other fancy tools, I just use a knife, winkel, angle thing for 90 degrees, a Bleistift, a pencil, and maybe a caliper, but not sure if I need this. The plywood is 4mm, so very easy to cut. And yeah, that's all for the preparation. I won't show you when I paint it to the plywood here. I just make it, cut it out, and then I come back with the parts and glue it together. This is part 1 of this video. So cutouts are made. I decide to use part of the front panel to go into my front panel like this. You can press this down and then it look like this, and I change the switch to one I like more, to this little switch. That is the front, and on the back I only have the charging connector. So now I go to glue the back piece, the back panel, the bottom, and the 2 side panels to the bottom. It's like this. So the case is almost done then, and only some I've done there. The supporters for the 2 other pieces that will screw in goes here on the other side, and here, and in the front and here. So this will be the supporters for the screws. So the front panel and the top is just removable. Yeah, that's all. Goes very fast. I hope it doesn't take so long. So I will start to put it together now. Charging port goes to this side. I'm always using some painting tape while gluing it together, so I will have some support when I glue it. I use this piece of metal that is 90-degree angled to make it fit nice. goes quite fast. That's all. Outside of the box is finished. Just need to work a little bit on the corners. Just wait until it is dry. Then screw in the front and the cover. Then sand it and just paint it with brown color. Start the timer, it's important. Not really, but I like it. I like when it runs there. Next time I would use it with while soldering. So time lapse is maybe more funny. 10 seconds already. So what do we do today? Last video or 2 videos ago I built a Hakko style T12 soldering iron, and I already make it battery powered. But I mentioned that I don't like the plastic case they delivered with it, and I want to have my own unique wooden design where almost everything I built for the lab goes into it. So this will be a part of my mobile lab. I call it already mobile lab or field lab, and I put together all the stuff I need for this build. So we have the battery, very powerful, 11 point something, 3 times 3.79, 11.1 volt at about 4000 milliamp per hour, so 40 watt hours. It can about run this iron for over 1 hour. The iron control board built into the front panel. I already get the second tip. The first tip that it comes with is a little bit weird. Looks like an X-Acto knife. This looks like more like a soldering iron for me. The handle I built already in the last video. The under part of the case, so the body of the case, the top of the case, parts for the charging cable, yes, with the military grade connectors, of course, I like them, and the charging port for the station. So I prepared a lot of parts earlier, and cutting out the wood you see already in the video, didn't see the painting, and it's just brown wood color from IKEA. Some people know IKEA. It's normally for outdoor furniture, but I like the color, and I only use some wax to make it shiny. So very nice finish, comes out very nice. This is the handle I already showed. So let's get the thing together. Shouldn't take so much time because I prepared already. Just get these things out of the way I don't need yet. Everything needs to go to a different place. I will start with the charging port because it is quite easy. Just get it in there, put the nut over it. Should not say put so often. Should try to speak in better English. So then the battery. The battery needs something to be fixed in the case, not coming out. And in this build I will use just tape, double-sided tape, because I already ordered something else, and so I want to modify it again, build another thing again. As mentioned in the earlier video, the controller board works well. I have no idea if it is really the temperature that it shows, because I have nothing to check the temperature of the iron. But there were some settings, I have no idea how to go there. Maybe I should read or search for a manual, but I don't want. And I found in Banggood they have another module, the T12 temperature OLED controller board for Hakko digital soldering iron station. I think this is compatible, and it has an OLED display. So yeah, more informations. think I will like it. So this goes there. Good that I have a big desk. In the morning I clean up my lab because my wife was teaching English in the morning over the internet with some Chinese friends, and then she don't like to get disturbed. So I say, okay, you get up, I play with the kleiner downstairs in Wohnzimmer. We can watch television, of course. So batteries in, already connected. I hope I don't make any mistake with polarity. So plugged in, everything is plugged in. But I cannot switch it on yet because I touched the battery protection board when I assemble, and then sometimes it triggers the output, switch off the output. And so first, to get it run, I need to put it to charging for a while, for 1 or 2 seconds. Or just wait, no, this time I really need to attach it to the power, but only a few seconds. Not so worry about that. To the other screws. I already tried with DC-DC step-up converter to get more power off the box, or to heat it up faster. But the module I have laying around was not very happy with the about 2.5 amp the circuit draws then, 40 watt about. So yeah, you have to use the short screws. Yeah, I make it already a little bit complicated because I didn't how to say, realize that I have to use short screws here, or put this hose a little bit more back. So I have short and long screws in this build, but it works. That is the most important. So timer is still working. That's good, because it's run by my battery powered supply. So, but for this I need a big supply. Here you see why I want to build a new cable. I use blue and yellow for it, and yeah, I already messed up the colors, so this is better. And now the circuit is back. You can see I can switch it on and off, and something is missing. Feeds. There are feeds missing. Where do I have the feeds to stick on it? That will take a second or two to find it in my part bin boxes. Oh, there. Small one, big one. The big one, round one. So that is always like the last step when I build something. Get them the feeds they need. Stick it more to my finger. So. Oh, very good. So, and now, you see I'm running the timer from it. It has the same size, almost the same color than my power supply. Now this color is a little bit lighter already, because this I have for about 2 years. And here you see the front of them. And now they looked, yes, they look like from the same maker, because they are from the same maker. And at the moment it's a little bit soldering station, battery powered. So fired this on already to build the last piece, the charging cable. I will build with this station. Only one problem. I need the heat resistant working mat. Otherwise I will burn this plastic. This material don't like heat. So, and I need to refocus something like this. Okay, let's go ahead. Build this, make it fast. I have to be a little bit careful because I didn't have any, yes, I need to put it there. I want to show you what I'm doing. Oh, that works. A little bit difficile. This tool is almost, no, it's over. It's really over 20 years old. Unbelievable. 22, 23 years about. Yes. So, just prepare. And I already forget where's plus and minus. Yeah. Do it on a living object. Yeah, this remember me the review of the Xiaomi Wow stick that goes so slow. I think I would be still on the first screw. So why I'm doing this? Yes, it's easy. Just want to plug in there. So power on. Heat up the iron. And yeah, it takes a while to heat this up because of the total power or the voltage I'm using. It's not heating up the fastest in the world, like my Erza one. Now I'm searching tools. Always sniffing, using my nose to see. Not bad. It's already melting the solder. Yeah, works quite well, I have to say. What's the time? 15 minutes already. I think I want to make a short video, but somehow it never works that my videos are short. Sorry for... Whoa. Okay. You can see the solder really goes through it. Good from the heat. Really works well. So yeah, no worries so far. Really has enough heat. And now I have to be careful that plus and minus don't touch. Otherwise I will really have a big problem, because I already attach it to the... Oh, just unplug. It's maybe better. Looks good. Really looks good. So let me see where I put the iron. Maybe here. So should I give it some protection? Maybe. La, 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 la. Can also use this. Because I have the metal housing, I want to give this a little additional protection. So then I need a holder for the iron, but this can be in the next project. Oh, stupid. Wrong direction. Should not remove it just now. There's the... So because I can still open. I can still open a little bit because shit, I have to make it like this. This has to go first there, then turn it around, not too far. Then this kleine Schraube, this little screw, goes there. Then this goes here. Do I still have power? Yes. Next project will be a charging station for this battery powered tools. And maybe I write something for instructables. There was a time I really liked to make things for instructables, but it took hours to write and have the ideas. So at the moment I'm not so, how to say, fleißig. Not so happy, I don't have so much time to make long instructables to write about those things I built. You didn't see this, okay? I didn't mix the red with the black. No, no, no. This is not happened. And something I need to buy is a vise. I already bought the third hand, flexible third hand with the with the light thing and the magnifier glass, but it's not very stable, so I want something else. Yeah, that is a little bit crap. You cannot screw it more in. There's already finished. Now I know why I solder the other ones. I need something to hold my things. I don't want to touch it when it's hot. So I bring in something else. And this is really a hard test for this iron, because this metal has a lot of thermal capacity. Oh, I only set it to 200. Yes. This works really very, very well already. Is it still recording something? But why it gets so dark? I have no idea. Those lights are on. So. More solder in. Still looks fine. Bam! Doesn't look bad, to be honest. Looks like it can work. So, switch it off. It's done its job. 24 minutes already. This really takes long, this part. This I have to put away a little bit. Otherwise I will burn my fingers on my hand or my arm. That is something I don't want to do. So now time to put. Should not say put. Time. Okay, it's not hot. Oh, happy. So time to bring to just attach. Attach is maybe not bad. Time to attach the plastic cover. It's not my day. Time to attach the plastic cover. Here so. Okay, it already cooled down, then I can hold it. That's okay. Then cut those things a little bit smaller. I don't like the screw is always sticking out a little bit, so I just isolate it. Oops. Yes. I'm just using some heat shrink, but not very. They are really not very lucky. So, powering this on. Okay, next thing will be a battery powered heat gun, maybe? No. So let's check the polarity and the voltage. Plug it in. There is the indent. Yeah, and the battery is charged not bad. Let's see how much it goes down when I switch it on without an iron attached to it. Let's attach the iron. Switch it on. Yeah, it goes down, of course. Yes, so. End of the video. Well, sorry. Maybe this showing. It's heating up. And now I know what the dot means. Oops. It is when it detects the moving of the handle. So, next video, me sampling a kit with this iron. The problem is I have not so much experience with this iron. It's totally different from the iron I'm using normally. It's this one. You see the size comparison. The small one is the Erasa Pico. And I like it, I really like it. So lightweight and short. You see, just going very short distance when you're soldering. Oh, I like it. Really recommend this for others if you want a good iron. But this, as a battery powered, not bad. So it's heated up. Should not play too much with it, otherwise I will hurt myself. Just unplug, put it away. Not put, don't say put. Sorry. Just clean up and finish for today's video. 30 minutes. A little bit longer than I want to take the video today. But it works. That is the most important. See you next time. Bye bye.